Hi everyone, so I'm about to share another journal with you, and I've been working on this for a couple of days, this one, and I'm calling it, the reason I'm feeling like giggling is because I've tried to do the beginning of this video a couple of times and I keep muddling up the name of what I'm calling this journal. I'm calling it an English Summer's Garden. How easy was that to say? Anyway, this is about 3 times I tried to say that and I still got it wrong. Anyway, yes, an English country garden, that's what I'm calling it. So it is, it's not a hard cover, it's not soft cover either, it's kind of in between, and it measures 8 by 4 3/4. It has a 1.5-inch spine, 3 signatures. The middle signature is like a blank signature, it's not decorated, because obviously I've done quite a lot of decoration on the other 2 signatures and it would have just became like alligator mouth, and I don't like doing journals like that. Not to the point where it's like gaping right opened. I try to keep them pretty balanced with the width of the spine and here. I don't like them to be like out here somewhere. Anyway, enough of that. 3 signatures, like I said, 76 pages front and back. It will be listed in my shop if you're interested. Okay, so before I crack on with all this, I wrote down everything, right, so I don't have to keep repeating myself because even I muddle myself up. So I've used 3 kits from ARTYmaze. I have used the Thoughts of Summer kit, the Summer Meadow kit, and the Instant Photo Style Portraits kit. I've used a couple of sheets from my French ephemera kit, and the books that I've used in this are Edith Holden, that one. Actually, are they both the same? Yeah, they're both the same. I ripped pages out of both of them because obviously we used some pages beforehand. I'm just looking for like some flower pages to do tags with, and then I bought this at the last week, I think it was. England is a Garden. That's who it's by. I got it on eBay. It was less than £3, and that was shipping included. How amazing is that? And it's quite a little heavy little book. When I got the, is it in here? No. When I got the book, as you can see, there's a little book plate in there. There was this lovely letter that was obviously written to the person that was gifted this book way back in 1989. I'm covering that bottom part up there because there is an address, and no doubt it is probably someone's address still. Maybe not the Tony, Pat and Mark and Perry, but yeah, a lovely letter written in there. And I thought, oh, kind of sweet but quite sad, because maybe that meant something. But anyway, that's what I used. Okay, you can screenshot that, you can stop it, you can write it down. Okay. Right, so for the cover, it has a fabric spine, and the papers are from one of the kits that I mentioned, because I really can't remember now because I've been working on this for a couple of days. This is part of the one of the book pages from the what was it called, the England is a Garden book. This is the portraits, instant photo portraits from ARTYmaze. We've got some cheesecloth here, there's a butterfly and some bling, there's some digital washi, forgot to write that down, and that is by Chapter 1 Papers, and a little bit there, and the word thoughtful that comes from the Thoughts of Summer kit. So as you can see, on the inside here, this is one of the pages from one of ARTYmaze's kits, which I think might have been the Summer Meadow. And with these kits that I mentioned, there is main pages. There is, I think with both of them kits, you get bonus traveler's notebook size, which I have used to make this journal, and I've used the other pages to kind of chop up and make tags and things. So this is one of the TN pages, and then here we've got like 4 washi, and then just little scrap pieces and a butterfly on that pocket. Here I think this is Thoughts of Summer, and that's a journal card, and there, and this is an Edith Holden book page turned into a tag, and I stitched all around the edge. All the papers have been coffee dyed. This is one of the TN pages from one of them kits from ARTYmaze. I can't remember. I think this is Thoughts of Summer, and I've shrunk it down. Edith Holden. And then here we have one of the pages out of the England is a Garden book. It's got that lovely, it looks like inside a church or a cathedral or something like that. I can't even say it, the architecture. No, I can't say it, I'm not even going to bother. Architecture, that's the word, architecture is absolutely beautiful. We have here in St Albans a cathedral. That is from Thoughts of Summer, and I've lined it with some coffee paper and made it into an envelope so that you can tuck things inside, sewn all around. Again, this is from the bonus pages from one of the two kits, Thoughts of Summer or Summer Meadow. Here I've made a triple pocket. Actually, is it triple? Yep, because you can tuck things behind here. Got a pocket here and a pocket here. So this is just a double page that I shrunk down, made a double tag out of it. Little bit of the digital washi from chapter 1 that goes in there. Obviously you can tuck things in behind there. Then here I've just got some digital washi and some scrap pieces. This says to plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow, which is very true. Here I made some tags. These are from ARTYmaze, and I'll just use some scrap pieces, some tickets, the little photo style portraits. These are the labels you get with one of the kits, and that just goes in there. And there's some nice interesting wording there as well. We've got tabs, I forgot to mention that, and the coffee dyed paper. In the middle you've got somewhere to journal. Again, this is from the bonus pages you get with the kits. Here is an envelope from the Thoughts of Summer, and what I did with this is a full size of A4 coffee dyed paper, and I just folded it up like what they used to do years ago when they done letters, and they fold it up and then they tuck it in. Obviously this is just coffee dyed paper, but it's in there in the envelope, and isn't that envelope really pretty? And that goes on there. Then here we have a tag. Now I seen Pretty something or other her name is, she is Australian, and I come across her through watching Kim's video the other day, and she had bought some stuff off her. Anyway, I went over and I think I subscribed to the lady in Australia. I can't remember her name off the top of my head, and she had made tags. Mine are completely different, but she inspired me to make this sort of tag. So this is actually just coffee dyed paper, doubled or trebled over, done a little bit of light stamping, then some music paper, then some scraps that I had stitched down the middle. We've got a butterfly there. Then here we've got a little snippets with some cheesecloth on there, and that is a book page from England is a Garden. And then that flips out. That is the book page, and you've got a double pocket there. I've used one of the journal cards from Thoughts of Summer, I think, and the little quote there. This is from one of the kits. Look how pretty that paper is. The book is really, really pretty. And another tag there. And then we have some lined paper to journal on. Then this flips out, and inside there, look how pretty that is. That's the other side of the cathedral with the architecture and the flowers. So that flips like that. Inside there we've got an Edith Holden book page tag that I made. This is from my French ephemera kit. This was all original French ephemera that I have scanned in and made into a little kit. You can find that on my website, I think. Is it on my website? Yeah, because some things are on my coffee shop. So you can find the links to my website and my coffee shop down below, and you'll see obviously what digitals are in where. Edith Holden, the little flip, you could flip it that way if you wanted to. Actually, we'll do that. Then another shrunk down TN page. Then we have a pocket here, again, some for the, it's not full washi, what can it is, it's digital. Some scrap pieces there, butterfly. And then I made this tag as well with the scraps, the tickets and the labels. And that's all from ARTYmaze. And then another Edith Holden book page tag. And that goes in there. So like I said, the center signature is just really for writing. So you've got the writing page here, which is a TN page, and it's just coffee dyed papers with some tabs on some of the pages, like so. Then we have the third signature and another pocket there. I've got some of the digital washi here from chapter 1 papers, I think it's called. That's actually the first thing I've ever bought from them. I've got some lovely stuff in the shop over on Etsy. Excuse me. Haven't spoken hours. Tag there from Summer Meadow, possibly, and that could be Summer Meadow or the Thoughts of Summer, can't remember. Little shrunk down TN page, some Edith Holden. That's another one of the pages from the England is a Garden. And we have that flips out. How pretty is that? So pretty. We have a tag here, which is obviously part of the flip, but you can actually tuck something in behind that. We have another Edith Holden book page tag, and then we have another French ephemera piece from my kit, just like so. I'll put that way, and I've just got the paper clip holding that in place. Some more lined paper from one of the kits. Then here we've got another, is that a flip out? Yeah, that's a flip out page from the England is a Garden book, and a tag that is from, that's from the tag kit from Thoughts of Summer, and I just layered them up so it's like a double tag. The label wraps around, and then the word memories on there. And then we have another tag, which I think is from Summer Meadow. See, I might be getting them muddled up. That's what happens when I spend a couple of days doing one journal using various kits. Some of the digital washi from chapter 1. So that goes in there. Love the little butterfly just peeking out. This is a journal card from one of the kits, and it says every summer has a story, and isn't that true? And that goes in there, and like I said, that flips opened. Then we've got a little snippet here using scrap pieces and some of the digital washi, and then another one of these tags. Is it Pretty Paper 67? I'm trying to think what that lady's name is. I know she's from Australia. Centre of that signature. Another envelope, a tab here on the page. How pretty is that? And again, another one of these, like, it's just, oh, I've got glue everywhere. It's just an A4 piece of coffee dyed paper, but just folded it up like the old-fashioned letters. It literally took me ages to like get that tucked in. It's like such a simple thing to do, and it's like, see me struggle. Oh, watch this. See how easy? You'd think that was really easy, wouldn't you? Get in. No, it doesn't want to go in how it came out. Okay. Oh, come on. Don't embarrass me. There we go. That went in just fine. No problems whatsoever. Oh God, no, I can't get it in the envelope. Oh dear. Right, get in. Right, not doing that again. Okay, so that went on there, I think. Yeah, paper clipped on. And then here we've got another triple pocket using the book pages from England is a Garden. So that's opened at the back, so you can tuck things in. This is another, like a double page tag, so you can write on that. And some of the digital washi. And this is another tag that I made up using some scraps, some tickets, the instant photo portraits from ARTYmaze, and here we've just got some the digital washi, butterfly and the word unique. Then here we have another envelope that I've made using one of the pages from one of the kits, stitched around, backed it with coffee paper. And then this here is one of the book pages. Kind of looks a little bit like a watercolour on that side, and then that goes on like so. That pops on there. We have an Edith Holden, and you can see it is quite chunky. Another page, another TN page that I shrunk down a little bit, and a tag. Just use some labels, the quotes, and some digital washi, and little kind of snippet down there with digital washi scrap piece. I think that was from one of my leftovers from my French ephemera, and then a journal card there. Okay, and I think that's it. I think that is it. So that is it. That is the journal, which I am calling, let me see what I'm calling it again, English Summer's Garden. Oh dear. Okay, so you'll find links to ARTYmaze below and a few others below. Obviously I'll just show you that again. So if you want to like screenshot that to look for the books. But yeah, that book was really cheap. And when I bought my Edith Holden, because they keep going up and down in prices, I originally started buying the Edith Holden books about 4 or 5 years ago and was only paying about £4 for them. Some of them, then they went up to like £15. Then they come back down, and I bought a few more. I got them for about £5 or £6, which I don't mind paying. And then they've all jumped back up again, crazy prices. But yeah, that is really cheap at the moment, and that's the name of the kits. Apart from the one that I forgot to mention, which was the digital washi tape from chapter 1 papers on Etsy. So there you go, that is the journal. This will be in my shop, as I said. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.